children, in the previous lesson we learned what are proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed numbers. Now let's do some exercises to learn more about these fractions. Exercises for the proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed number. First question, what are these fractions? First one, 3/5. Here numerator is small and denominator is large. So this fraction is proper fractions. Second one, 3/1/2. Whole number and a proper fraction together. So this fraction is mixed number. Or mixed fraction. Third one, 7/8. In this fraction, numerator is small and denominator is large. So this fraction is proper fraction. Fourth one, 7/2. Numerator is large. So this fraction is improper fraction. Fifth one, 9/11. Numerator is small. So this fraction is proper fraction. Sixth one, 2/5/7. In this fraction, whole number and proper fraction together. So this fraction is mixed fraction or mixed number. Seventh one, 6/14. In this fraction, numerator is small. So this fraction is a proper fraction. Second one, express each of the following mixed numbers as an improper fractions. First one, 1/4. So these two we have to multiply and these two we have to add. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Denominator is 4. Answer is 5/4. Second one, 2, 3/5. These two numbers we have to multiply and upper numbers we have to add. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Denominator is 5. Third one, 3/1/3. These numbers we have to multiply and upper numbers we have to add. 3 into 3, 9 and plus 1, 10. Denominator is 3. Answer is 10/3. Next one, 7/4/8. These two we have to multiply and these two we have to add. 8 into 7, 56 plus 4, 60. Denominator is 8. Fourth one, 4, 2/3. We have to multiply and upper numbers we have to add. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Denominator 3. Next one, 6. 1/2 we have to multiply and these two we have to add. 2 into 6, 12 and plus 1, 13. Denominator is 2. Seventh one, 5. 4/6 we have to multiply 5 and 6, and later we have to add 4. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Denominator is 6. Third question, express each of the following improper fractions as a mixed number. We have to convert this improper fraction to the mixed number. So we have to divide. Equal 14, we have to divide by 3. 3 into 4, 12. Balance is 2. Remainder is 2. The fraction is, this is the whole number and these two are fractions. Here numerator is 2, denominator is 3. Answer is 4, 2 over 3. Second one, 13 over 5. So 13 we have to divide by 5. 5 into 2, 10. Remainder 3. Fraction is, the whole number is 2. Fraction, numerator is 3. Denominator is 5. 2, 3 over 5. Next one, 26 over 3. So we have to divide 26, divide by 3. 3 into 8, 24, remainder 2. So the whole number is 8. The fraction is denominator 3, numerator 2. Answer is 8, 2 over 3. Children, I hope you can understand now proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed numbers very well. See my next video to learn comparison of fractions.